Hello everybody, and in this video you're going to be learning about how you can create an image slider using React. I'm Akshat and this is my YouTube channel where I upload videos about programming and I try to explain it in a very simple manner. So now let's just get started. So here what I've gone ahead and done is I've just gone ahead and created a React app using npx create React app, and I've just gone ahead and started it up using npm start. And then over here what I've done is I've just installed a few packages. So npm install slick carousel, react slick, and styled component. So I've just gone ahead and done all of those, and now the first thing that you want to go ahead and do right over here is let me just collapse this open editors right now. Okay, boom. Now the first thing that you want to go ahead and do is app.test.js. So right over here you want to select this logo.svg and setup test.js. Select all of them and hit delete. Now you can just wait for this to go ahead and delete. So they'll just go ahead and delete, and there we go, it's just gone ahead and deleted. So the next thing that we want to do is in app.js, we just want to remove this logo import. So boom, and then I'll actually go ahead and change this to an arrow function right here. There we go, and now we can just get rid of all of this, and I'll create a component called image slider like so. And now we can just go ahead, and we don't actually need a folder, we just need to do image slider.js, boom. Here image slider.js, and then what we want to do is underscore RAFCE, boom, and then that's just an extension. You can just download it from here. It's just called ES7 React Redux GraphQL React Native Snippet. So here it is. So here, React Redux GraphQL React Native Snippets. You can just download this, and then you'll get all of those snippets. Really handy extension. Now what we want to do is in here, we just want to go ahead and just do like a h1 hello, something like that. And then in here, we just want to go ahead and import it. So, okay, it's not actually going to give me the import here. So I'll just import it manually. Import from /image slider, boom. There we are. And now here, it just says hello. So that's exactly what we want. So here what I'm going to do is just go ahead and delete everything in there. And then in index.css, what we want to do is select everything, margin 0. Save, close out of that, and that's how it looks. That's exactly what we want. So now in here, we just will add in a few imports. So boom, just paste that in. And then here we will actually have a settings variable. So boom, paste all of that in. So this is basically just controlling the settings of the actual slider. So that's exactly what we want. So now we can just get rid of this div, and I'm just going to go ahead and do this. So basically it's just a carousel, which is going to be a custom component using style components, and then it just uses the settings, and then it's a wrap, which is another custom component, and then an a tag, and then inside of that an image. And then we actually want to go ahead and put some images in here. So images, and then what we will do is I've just got some images in my downloads folder right over here. Downloads, just going to grab that, put that in there, close out of this, and there you go, it just came through. And then change all of these to images. And then this first one, we will just do image 1. This one, image 2. This one, image 3, this one image 4. Boom. Save that, and now if I come back here, it should just be loading up, I think. Yep, it's just compiling here. We can just wait for that, and then here we should actually be seeing the images. Or actually, we need to define the style components first, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. So right over here, I'm just going to paste that in. So basically it's just a carousel, which is a styled slider. So this slider right over here, and then margin top, and this is targeting the button inside of it, all of these. And then when we hover on the button, all of these, and now it's a UL. So here what we're going to go ahead and do is just save this, and as I was saying here, so this is the transition, and then the UL and the LI and the button inside of that. The before, we can just do this, and then all of this other stuff, and then just some simple styling for this. So there we go, and now we save that. Okay, the images aren't actually coming through, so let's see what's wrong. So image 1, JPG. I'm just going to copy that, put it there, there, and there, boom, save, and now the images should actually be coming through. Yep, but the images are huge here. So, okay, let's just, actually I'm just going to bring different images here. So here what I've gone ahead and done is just changed up the images right over here, and also we can just get rid of this, and now we come back here, then let this just refresh, and there we go, we've got the buttons. Also we can just go ahead and swipe this like so, and yeah, with that being said, our image slider is actually done. So it looks really good. You can just swipe through all of this, or you can just click the next button. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.